Using Logic Pro X, you will find the icon that looks like a silver record, probably on the menu to the left. Open that up. Now you will see here that there's no actual window that tells you what you need to be doing, but you'll look in the top left hand corner and you'll see the menu for Logic Pro X. Go File, Create New, and you'll be presented with a option here for the type of tracks that you want to put in. If you want to record some audio or drag some already existing loops into your session, you would use an audio track. If you wanted to create a software instrument where you could use a MIDI keyboard to play some sounds from within Logic, you would choose that. Let's just choose the audio track, and the number of tracks we'll just put in as 1. Input 1 and 2 means that it's looking at an audio interface that has 2 inputs available and also 2 outputs available. So this is where we would plug into and record things, and this is where we would listen out to our speakers. So I'm just going to create that track. And as you can see, it puts a track in here called Audio 1. Now if we record onto that track, all of our files that we record are going to be called Audio 1. But let's say we want to call this voiceover, and then when we actually do our recording, then we will our region will be called that. I'm going to turn on the recording button, and it's given me an error, which is interesting. So that's because I haven't saved my session, and Logic doesn't know where it wants me to put my audio files. So I'm going to go File, Save, look for a location, call it Kent1. Make sure I choose the option package, which means that everything gets packaged into one file rather than a folder with a number of subfolders. Always tick on the audio files folder. If you're working with a movie file, which you probably will be in this subject, then it's quite a good idea to have that one ticked as well so that your movie file gets saved with your session. Then go Save, and this will be the end of this video, and we'll move on from here.